Ever found yourself needing to update your phone number on an app and felt a tiny pinch of dread? It's like, where do you even go to do that? It can feel like a digital scavenger hunt sometimes. Well, if you're a favepay user and need to change your registered phone number, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, nice and easy. Now, favepay is a pretty popular platform, especially if you're in Southeast Asia, offering cashback and rewards at tons of different merchants. So, keeping your information up to date, especially your phone number, is super important. You don't want to miss out on any deals or have trouble accessing your account, right? Imagine trying to redeem a reward and realizing your old number is still linked. Talk about frustrating. So, let's avoid that. First things first, you'll need to open the favepay app on your phone. Makes sense, right? Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually located somewhere in the corner, often the bottom right, but it might vary slightly depending on your phone's operating system or the app version. Tap on that profile icon. This should take you to your profile page. Now, on this page, you're looking for settings. Sometimes it's labeled directly as settings, other times it might be represented by a gear icon. It's that little symbol that looks like a cogwheel. If you see that, tap it. Okay, you're in the settings menu now. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll through the options until you find something related to account or personal information. Sometimes it might even say phone number directly. If you see account, tap on that, and you should find phone number within those account settings. Now, you found it. Tap on phone number. You'll likely be asked to verify your current phone number for security reasons. This is a good thing. It makes sure it's really you making the change. Favepay might send you an SMS with a verification code. Just enter that code in the app when prompted. Once your current number is verified, you'll be able to enter your new phone number. Double check, triple check. Make sure you enter it correctly. A simple typo could cause problems later. After you're absolutely certain the new number is right, tap Save or Update. And that's it. You've successfully changed your phone number on favepay. Pretty straightforward, right? It's always a good idea to test it out too. Maybe try logging out and back in with your new number just to make sure everything works smoothly. Keeping your information updated is crucial for a smooth experience with any app, and favepay is no different. By following these simple steps, you can ensure you never miss a deal or have trouble accessing your account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.